Welcome back to BILIK 7, a channel that brings you the best architectural design inspiration from around the world. This time, we will take you to explore a captivating home. Located amidst the beauty of Ubud, Bali. This is the Bond House, the work of visionary architect Alexis Dornier. Bond House is designed with the concept of horizontal and vertical elements that intersect each other, forming spaces for gathering and relaxing on various levels. This approach allows the structure of the house to blend into the natural landscape, without blocking the view to the outside. The result, a perfect harmony between design and nature. The pool area is the centerpiece of this home. It divides the living room into two parts, creating a central gathering point that blends in with the tropical atmosphere. The use of glass walls on various sides of the house allows natural light to enter freely and opens up a wide view of the surrounding environment. The interior and exterior blend seamlessly. No less interesting, an artistic spiral staircase connects the pool area with the roof terrace. From here, there is a calming view of the rice fields and the sparkling water of the pool below. The materials used are also carefully selected. Sukabumi stone gives a natural impression, as if it were part of the surrounding forest fossils. Meanwhile, the wooden ceiling adds warmth and marks the inside area of the house with a more intimate and comfortable feel. The design of Bond House teaches us about the importance of harmony between architecture and nature. Through natural lighting, local materials, and a building form that respects the environment, this home is an example of an aesthetic, functional, and sustainable home. Thank you for listening to today's design story. Hopefully the inspiration from the Bond House provides a new perspective on how a home can dialogue with nature. We meet again in the next video with architectural ideas that are no less interesting.